Welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties, and in the empties, as always, it's going to be just Dollar Tree stuff. We're going to do mini reviews, and if you're interested, keep watching. I have an Empty Assured Instant Hand Sanitizer, 10 fluid ounces. You can't be depressed for this. It's hand sanitizer. I like the one with the aloe in it, and I mean 10 fluid ounces for $1, you really can't beat that. I think this would be great also to be purchasing for your children's classrooms at school to help the teacher out as well, to keep germs down. Yes, overall great. It does what it's supposed to. This is a hand sanitizer. I have several little bath items. This has seen better days, but it's a shave for men. It's like a shave gel kind of thing. John did not like this. It's 5 ounces. He used it a few times, it's right there, but he just was not a big fan of this. He said it didn't work very good, so he does not recommend that Dollar Tree product. For Connor, I have the Kids 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I do like this product. It's not tear free though. I love this in a watermelon scent because around my house we all are watermelon fanatics. We love watermelon. I mean, it smells really good, but I also have to say, I will repurchase this in the way future. And I say that because it's not very conditioning. He has natural curly hair like mine, and for him, this product works at getting his hair clean, but as far as a conditioning for his hair and making his curls look really good, no, it's not ideal for natural curly hair. But I have repurchased that several times. I mean, it's a good product. It's just that I want something more conditioning for his personal needs. I do have this. It is name brand. It's Pure Silk Sensitive Skin Therapy Shave Cream. This is 5 ounces. I did purchase this from Dollar Tree. I purchase this from Walmart all the time for more than $1. I highly recommend the Pure Silk brand. It's just as good as the bigger Venus and Olay brands. I really like it. I mean, it serves its purpose. I have a Soft Whisper Country Chic body wash. I've done reviews on these before. This is 18 fluid ounces. It's comparable to Bath & Body Works. These are not as watery as some Dollar Tree products. By the way, Soft Whisper is a brand that they carry. Yeah, it's just a brand that they carry, and sometimes you can find them in the limited edition scents, and I always pick up every scent that they usually have in limited edition. You also can find the Soft Whisper body washes at Dollar General for $1 as well, and I think for the price and how much you get and the scents that they carry and how thick it is compared to other watery dollar body washes, these are a great value, and I use Soft Whisper all the time. I have this Scream Power Stick deodorant body spray. I did like this. I've only found it one time in my store. That was this time. I used it all up, and basically it's their copy of an Axe Woman's body spray, and it's 2.8 fluid ounces, and I think it was a great product. It didn't last a super long time, but just to spray on you to have some scent before you walk out the door and stuff, I think it was perfect. I have a shampoo and a conditioner. So I have the Daily Defense Coconut Oil Shampoo, and I also have the conditioner to go with that. And these are amazing. These are dollar store gems. They're so good. I know sometimes you can find Daily Defense at the Dollar General as well, so definitely check this particular one out. I did a full review, and this product is amazing. It smells amazing. It's thick, nice and creamy, super moisturizing on your hair. That's in a nutshell. This product is great. Love it. And I've repurchased that a total of 3 times. Well, technically I've purchased it 3 times, okay? I've bought it, loved it, repurchased twice. I have this Empty Nivea cream. It's the 1 ounce thing they had at Dollar Tree forever and a day ago, but basically I will use an eyebrow shaver on my eyebrows once a week. I do not pluck them because I want my hairs to grow back, and I just get rid of unwanted hair basically, and when I'm done I use the Nivea cream over top. I do have a big container of this now, and I just love it. So that's what I used it for, so it lasted a super long time. I have the 6-blade razors from Assured. These are great. I love them. You only get 2, but they're 6-bladed. I highly recommend these. They don't cut me. They don't give me razor burn, at least in my experience. And I always recommend these. I always show them my empties because I want you guys to try them. They're really awesome. The men one like that too. They're just as good. This is not a product that is emptied or anything like that, but it's a product that I saved the packaging for because I wanted to share with you guys. But I have one of those personal pink shavers. You can use it on your eyebrows, you know, face, bikini area, wherever you personally want to use it. You could probably use these on your legs if you were in a pinch and needed that. I don't know. But you can use this just about anywhere. And from the Dollar Tree, they come up with compact trimmers, and it's just a gray trimmer, and I think it's mainly catered towards the men, but I bought one and I bought another, so I could have one at my makeup table and John can use one just to quickly like shave his face if he needs to. And I think these work amazing, honestly, you guys. It takes away the hair. It does a really good job. It uses 1 battery. It looks like this. It's a pretty long head on there. Has an on and off switch. Isn't that crazy loud? But anyways, it works great. And it works just as good as my $10 little personal shaver. Yes. So I highly recommend, if you see that, pick it up. I think they make great gifts. They also work great in everyday life. So I definitely recommend trying that dollar shaver. I have a candle here, and this is the Mon Amour candle, and they're the little drink candles. This one actually had like a kind of, I don't even want to say like a florally kind of spa-y kind of scent to it. Very faint though, but when it burned, it did have a decent throw. Like it smelt up the kitchen. And I thought it was nice. So out of all the little drink ones that I've tried, I've been pretty disappointed, but I was surprised with this one, and I don't know that I would really repurchase it because there are more high-pitched, stronger throw candles at the Dollar Tree. But overall, was pleased with this one in comparison to how I've been not liking the other drink candles. The last 2 and final items I have to share with you are these cosmetic pump bottles. I actually really love these. I have 3 of them total, including these. So a pink, a blue, and I have the teal one. The last one I don't have is purple, and I probably will at some point purchase that one as well. But I am tossing these because the blue one pumped like now these are only $1. I've had these for like a year or so anyways. So a year for $1, it held my nail polish remover. It did what it's supposed to, but the pump would like stick, and it would pop up and spit like acetone everywhere. So if I had anything plastic on my desk, the acetone would start to eat it away. Like, and it dries quickly, but it leaves damage on your packaging. Like, let me go get something to show you. But I have this little AO Studio brush cleanser, but you can see like how the packaging here is a different color. That's what the acetone will do to like your plastic packaging. Yes, so beware. That's only if the pump kind of sticks and then starts spitting it out. I used it for a very long time when it was doing that, and I still really love these. It holds 5.4 ounces of product. You can use these for makeup remover, nail polish remover. I personally like them for the nail polish, but that's the reason why the blue one is on its way out. Then I bought the teal one, okay? And the teal one, brand new, it's like they had sliced the box open and sliced a slit in the bottom. So let me see if I can find that spot here. Oh, there it is. It's very teeny tiny. but enough that the acetone comes out of the bottle because it's broken. It's slid open. So I took the pink lid off of my pink one and I replaced it with the teal head. So now I'm just tossing the pink one. This is the new teal bottle, but it's, you know, obviously it's defective. And then here's the pink pump. There was nothing wrong with the pink pump. But I'm still just getting rid of this whole thing because of that. I do highly recommend still checking these out because for what they are and what they do, their greatness, super cheap. I mean, you can buy pumps all day long like that already have stuff in them, and you're gonna pay a lot more than $1. So sometimes you're gonna get hits and misses, but for $1, honestly, we really can't beat it. And I got a new one that works just fine now. It took 2 bottles. It took the pump from one and the bottle from the other one to make it work, so I don't have to go back and get a brand new one. But it worked, and I'm happy with it, and I love those pump bottles. But yes, that's my empties video. I hope you enjoyed the empties and the mini reviews. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, check the description box below for tons of Dollar Tree video links. I mean, reviews, tutorials, hauls, DIYs. Tons, you guys, tons of stuff. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, like this video, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.